Hello everyone, this is my husband Mark.
Hi.
And today he's going to set up this steel roof rack. We got this from
Amazon, and the brand is Maxxhaul.
And how much did you get it for?
Around 150 Canadian.
Right, so that's one part there.
Okay, I think this is the middle part.
That should be the middle one, yep.
Few. I think it's a box of hardware.
Right. That's like the crumpled instructions. And that must be the third part there.
I think that's just the one that front. And this goes to the other end.
Can we just show them the size?
Size is this one.
So the size is 46 inches by 35 inches ish by 4.5 inches. Right, and it's 150-pound capacity. So here's the roof rack itself. As you can see, it comes in 3 parts, and here are the smaller hardware. He's going to show you what these parts are.
Yeah, so
Looks like it comes in 4 sets.
4 sets of mounting brackets.
Okay.
Mounting bracket, U-bolts on the pad. And comes with the protective gasket.
Can I see?
It's kinda just a rubber to protect the screw when you're gonna connect all the parts in there.
Okay.
And of course the small hardware.
Can I see? All right. Rack will be set up in this minivan. This is a Toyota Sienna 2016. And of course, before you are able to set up the roof rack, your van or your car should have a set of railings and a set of crossbars. now is the fully set up roof rack installed in our mini van. It's now ready for our next camping trip for our camping gears. Yay! Did you find it easy to install it?
It's okay, not too bad.
Not easy, not difficult?
No, something like that. As long you follow the instruction.
Yeah, of course. As long as you follow the instructions, you will not go wrong. Do you think it will stay there
Yeah.
during our
Very
travel?
stable.
Yeah. Looks like it's sturdy. Just make sure, I guess, you follow the capacity limit.
Which is 150 pounds.
150 pounds, yes.
But you also follow your crossbar limit.
Right.
How much limit you can hold.
All
Just
right.
remember, you got extra weight on this basket still, plus
Plus the load.
load. Yeah.
All right. Is that about it?
Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much for watching again. And please subscribe to our channel. Bye.
Bye.